Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you all? I hope you're all doing great. Guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about the latest update from Interlink Network, especially regarding KYC. A lot of users are currently stuck at KYC step 1 or step 2, so there is some good news for all those users. But before we get into the complete details of this update, I have a small request. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and support your brother. Also, I've attached the links to my WhatsApp channels in the description. Make sure to join them as well because you'll get the latest updates about new airdrops and mining platforms there first. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Guys, if you have already joined Interlink and are mining on it regularly, then that's great. But if you haven't joined Interlink yet, then honestly, you won't get as much benefit from joining it now compared to those who joined earlier. However, there are two new mining projects currently available in the market that you may want to check out. Both of these projects are somewhat similar to Interlink, and YeBlock is also getting a lot of attention. I'll provide the joining links for both projects in the video description so you can check them out if you're interested. In the future, it's possible that these projects could provide even better opportunities than Interlink. But of course, nobody can guarantee future profits. And there's one very important thing I want to mention about the YeBlock mining application. After creating your eBlock account and starting mining, make sure you complete your email verification. A lot of users have created their accounts and started mining but forgot to verify their email addresses. Some users are reporting account related issues because of this. So, if you have already created an eBlock account, make sure your email is verified. And if you haven't created an account yet, then verify your email immediately after creating your account. Now, let's come to our main topic. We have been mining on Interlink for quite some time, and many users have also been waiting for their KYC. Some users are stuck at step 1, while others are stuck at step 2. There are also users whose KYC has already been completed, but their migration is still pending. For quite some time, it seemed like the team was more focused on their main launch and listing, while the KYC problems were not receiving enough attention. But finally, it looks like the team has realized that millions of users are still facing KYC related issues, and now an important update has been shared regarding this matter. An update has been shared by Mr. KB, who is an ambassador as well as a team member of Interlink. So let's go directly to his official account where he shared this update. Guys, I have Mr. KB's official account open here. He recently shared an important update regarding Interlink. Also talked about Interlink's new buyback program. However, the most important part for us is the update regarding KYC. He also mentioned the new version 6.0.02, especially for users whose KYC has still not been completed. According to the update, users who are still facing KYC issues will receive faster processing and improvements through the new version. Hopefully, these KYC related problems will actually be resolved through the new update. Hopefully, these KYC related problems will actually be resolved through the new update. Now, let me tell you something important. When I went to the Google Play Store and checked my Interlink application, the new update was not available for me yet. So, I recommend that you also go to the Google Play Store and check your Interlink application. If the new version is available for you, make sure to update the application. After updating, keep checking your KYC status regularly to see when your KYC slot becomes available and what stage your KYC process is currently in, and make sure to tell me in the comments. Are you currently stuck at KYC step? You stuck at step 2? Or has your KYC already been completed but your step 3 migration is still pending? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, better late than never. It looked like the team has finally realized that the community is becoming frustrated because of these KYC issues, and some users may even be leaving the project because of the delays. That's why we are now seeing this new update focused on resolving these problems. Hopefully, the new version will actually fix the KYC related issues and allow more users to complete their KYC successfully. For now, stay active and keep mining and continue following the official updates. Interlink is a major project and its P2P trading has already started. You probably already know the approximate token price. Currently, there are reports of the token being bought and sold in the local market at around 450 or above. The eventual listing price could potentially be 3 or 4 times higher, but nothing is confirmed at this stage. So don't consider any price prediction as guaranteed. Always rely on official announcements and do your own research. Hopefully, this new Interlink version will solve the KYC problems, and users who are currently stuck will finally be able to complete their KYC. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video and leave a nice comment. And whenever there is a new update regarding Interlink, I'll share it on my WhatsApp channels as well. So make sure to join them. I'll see you in the next video.